Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! I'm just kidding. I know Christmas was yesterday, but I still wanted to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas. And I'm late on posting this Christmas makeup tutorial, but it's okay. I hope you guys all had a beautiful and lovely Merry Christmas with your loved ones and families. Let's go ahead and get right into this makeup tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and hydrate my skin with a hyaluronic acid oil from Noid. And then I'm going in with another oil. This is the Pixie Rose Oil. And I'm just lathering that all over my skin. And then I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. This is my first time actually using it, and I'm in love with this foundation. I'm so glad I picked it up. Thank you, xoxo, for recommending it. And then I'm going to go ahead and contour my face with the LA Pro Conceal and Toast. I love this concealer. It's super creamy and blends out beautifully. And then I'm going to be using the Tarte concealer, of course. I actually didn't like using this because it was very sticky, but I don't know, it's working with this foundation wonderfully. And I'm blending it out using a stippling brush. I actually ran out of beauty blenders, so I'm doing this entire look with makeup brushes, and believe it or not, the finish was still so gorgeous and natural. I buffed away the contour zones with a Real Techniques blending brush, and it left a little bit of harsh lines and it was a little too dark for me, so I went over it again with a little bit of foundation on my foundation brush and smoothed everything over so it looks a little more blended and seamless. You definitely want to bake anytime you do your makeup because it just ensures that your makeup lasts all day. And I fully bake under my eyes and then lightly bake on my forehead and then kind of dust the powder over throughout the rest of my face. And then for my eyebrows, I always sketch it out before I fill it in so I get the perfect shape every time. For my eyeshadows, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. I'm just using the light warm brown and the medium taupe brown. I'll list all the details down below in the description bar, but that's all I'm using. The third shade I'm actually using is the darkest brown, and I'm just focusing that on the outer corners of my eyes to give a little bit of dimension and kind of darken it up. I do want to create a little bit of a wing, so I just get a napkin and kind of block the outer corner of my eye and then brush the dark brown, and you guys can see it adds like a nice little cat eye effect. And then I'm going to add a dark brown as an eyeshadow. I mean, not as an eyeshadow, but as an eyeliner. I'm just straight up using the eyeshadow from the palette because I kind of want a little bit of a soft eyeliner. I don't want it to be very dramatic. I want all the attention to be on the lips because you guys know it's not a Christmas look without the red lips. I'm just buffing away the concealer underneath my eyebrow and applying a matte color underneath there so there's no shine or anything like that. And then I'm lining the waterline top and bottom with a eyeliner. It's a brown eyeliner to be specific. It's not a black one, it's a brown one because I do want this to be super soft. And I'm just smoking the under eyes with a light brown from the Too Faced palette. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to pop on some lashes. These lashes I got from Namies. I always buy my lashes from there because they have amazing dupes and really low prices. So if you're in LA, go to Namies. You'll find amazing deals on lashes there. So these are the lashes that I chose. It's just your regular lash. It's no fancy schmancy, you know, anything. It's literally just like a regular lash. And then I curl them so it kind of elongates it and has it curled up because these were a little fanned down. So curling them just helps with getting that extra length, and you guys can kind of see the difference. You see that? Oh, now you see my lashes. Yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara on my bottom and top lashes. The trick to having the perfect lower bottom mascara is to just pick off the clumps because that way it doesn't look super fake and spider legs basically. So after I do my mascara, I like to go back into my eyeshadow palette and kind of deepen up the shadows, or, you know, bring it above where my lashes are, because sometimes my eyelashes are a little longer than my eyelid. So I just kind of go above the where the fake eyelashes end, so you can kind of see the color. And then I'm just brushing off the powder. You guys can see there is a lot of powder on my skin. I think that was on the brush because there really wasn't a lot of powder on my face, but there was a lot on my brush. I'm going in with this Tarte Glow Pro palette, and I've never used this before. This is my first time using it, and I'm actually a fan of it. I like how the brown looks on this, like the contour shade. It's not too warm. It's a perfect cool tone. And then I'm going to be using the, what is it? The Cover FX Glow Drops as a highlight, and it looks so darn good. I stopped using that because I was so in love with the Pixie, what is it? The Pixie highlighter that I've been wearing recently, but I'm going back to my Cover FX just because, like, look at that. That's awesome. It just takes a while to blend it out. I think that's why I haven't been using it. But yeah, this is where I'm applying the red lip. I'm using a MAC lip liner first, and then I'm going in with the lipstick. This is from NARS. I'll leave it in the description below because I forgot what color this is. Excuse me. And then I just quickly did my hair, and yeah, this is basically the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for all the love and continued support. I do still have my giveaway, so go ahead and enter if you haven't. It's ending in a few days. Thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.